What's up everybody, I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Have you ever wondered how YouTubers can bring in the big bucks when you're not paying any money to watch them? We both know that there's a lot of people that watch YouTube. I mean, as of May of 2018, YouTube had over 1.8 billion monthly users. But how exactly does that equate to dollars? I got you, and that's why I'm here. In this video, I want to go over how YouTubers earn money. This way, if you have a channel or if you've been thinking about starting a channel, you can see the different ways that you can earn money. And if you're just curious, well, here's your answer. Now, full disclaimer, starting a YouTube channel and gaining traction to do all these things is not easy, but it is possible. So let's go over 5 ways that YouTubers make money. First and most obvious is advertisements. Commercials suck, right? I mean, there you are watching your favorite show on TV and then they're gonna tell you something crazy like, we just got the results back. Is John the father of little Timmy? Let's find out after these messages. Oh my god, why is it always at the worst times? Well, those annoying commercials that you see are actually how the shows get paid. Businesses pay to air their advertisements during a show, and the more viewers that a show has, the more that they can charge and the more money that the show will make. YouTube kind of works in the same way. Google, which owns YouTube, runs advertisements on YouTube videos. Creators don't get to decide what advertisements you see. That's based on what you search on Google and other things like that. But creators get to share in the advertising profits with YouTube. The amount of money that you make from advertisements will vary depending on a few factors. Google looks at what kind of content you have, where your audience is from, and how often your audience is engaging with your advertisements. So on average, YouTube channels make somewhere between $1,000 to $3,000 for every million views that they get. Second, sponsorships. For most YouTubers, the advertising revenue is not enough to survive off of, which is where the other streams of income come in. If you've seen talk shows or sports on TV, you've probably seen sponsorships where they say things like, this episode is brought to you by, I don't know, George's Car Company, or is brought to you by YouTube TV. This is a sponsorship, and these companies are specifically paying the show to talk about their product during the show. It's the same on YouTube. If my channel was about writing and poetry and stuff, and I loved writing stuff in my diary, I could get a notebook sponsor. So for example, if I got a deal, I would say something like, this video is brought to you by Notebooks R Us. Check them out at notebooksrus.com. In case you didn't know, we're not sponsored by Notebooks R Us. In this case, Notebooks R Us would pay us, the YouTuber, directly, and we don't gotta share any of that money with YouTube. Third, be an affiliate. You don't see this on TV as much. It works very similarly to sponsorships. The only difference is how you get paid. If we got a sponsorship, Notebooks R Us might pay us, I don't know, $200 to talk about their notebooks and recommend their website. The more viewers and the more subscribers that we have, the more that they'll be willing to pay. But it doesn't matter how many people buy the notebooks, we're gonna make $200 either way. With an affiliate promotion, you will get paid based on how many people buy notebooks. So now, let's say that these notebooks sell for $10 a pop on the Notebooks R Us website. If I was doing an affiliate promotion, I would tell you to go and buy these notebooks using my affiliate link. You would still pay $10 to buy the notebook, but now I would make something like $1 for every notebook that people buy through my affiliate link. So if 100 of you went out and bought these notebooks, I would make $100. But if 10,000 of you went out and bought these notebooks, I would make $10,000. Some people prefer to be an affiliate because you have the opportunity to make a lot more money, but other people don't really like that because they want to have that guaranteed money from their sponsorship. And as a small little tip, if you do go down this route or the sponsorship route, do not promote anything that you would not personally use yourself. It's not worth the quick buck. If your followers and your subscribers realize that you're just promoting a whole bunch of crap, they're not going to continue supporting you for much longer. And if you do want to learn more about affiliate marketing and building an online business in general, we have an ebook on it and you can read it for free when you sign up for our business newsletter, and you can do that by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. Fourth, e-commerce dropshipping. Traditionally, if you wanted to sell your own product, you would have to spend a lot of time creating it, and then you would have to buy a whole bunch of inventory up front. With dropshipping, you're still selling your own product, but you don't have to buy any inventory up front. The way it works is you partner with a manufacturer. This way, anytime somebody comes and makes a purchase on your website, the manufacturer will get a notification, and then they will create the product and ship it out to the customer, and it will only take a percentage of the sales price. This way, you can start with very little investment up front. So, for example, instead of me selling Notebooks R Us's notebooks, I can sell you Minority Mindset notebooks, and anytime you make an order for a Minority Mindset notebook on our website, you would pay me $10, and then automatically the manufacturer might take $6 out of that, and they will create the notebook and send it out to you. So now, instead of promoting somebody else's brand, I'm promoting my own products, and I don't have to buy any inventory to start. And again, if you do want to learn more about dropshipping, I talk more about it in our business ebook. And number 5, create your own products. If you're ready to turn your channel into a full business, you gotta decide how you want your channel to make money. I wouldn't be doing this in the beginning, because if you start a YouTube channel for the sole purpose of making quick money, you are going to be very disappointed because of how hard it is to get off of the ground. But as you grow, you're gonna wanna decide if you wanna make your money from content creation using the things that I just talked about, or if you wanna focus on creating and selling your own products, or something in the middle. The way this works is now, instead of being an affiliate or a sponsor or a drop shipper of somebody else's notebooks that they created, I would create my own custom Minority Mindset notebooks. This takes more time and money in the beginning because I gotta do the work to create and design my notebook, and then I have to buy the inventory for my own products. But now, because I am creating my own product and I'm buying a whole bunch of inventory up front, I might be able to get my cost down to something like $3 a notebook. This way, if I can sell enough products, I will be more profitable. This takes the most work, and so if this is something that you're interested in, first grow your channel and start getting some revenue, and then you can reinvest that revenue into your business by creating your own product. Have you been thinking about starting a YouTube channel? If so, what's holding you back? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Wednesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.